Hello, I'm Brett.
And I'm Tiani, and we're on an amazing CROMADS experience here in Imotski. We're at Grabovats, and we've had an amazing tour of the grounds. We watched some balote with some locals, and we had an amazing Peka experience.
On the way here, we managed to stop and see some nice archaeological sites, as well as some other things while driving by. The countryside is beautiful, and I would recommend this to anyone.
This is delicious. The meat is so succulent. The potatoes have so much flavour. Like the rosemary is insane. Delicious.
This food is incredible. I've never tried Peka before, and I will definitely be having it again.
Wow, I mean, I can't fault it. It's a traditional experience and delicious.
That's what I was after. Perfect.